Growing fresh herbs, vegetables, and flowers indoors is easier than ever with the right garden setup. You don't need perfect outdoor conditions or even a yard to enjoy year-round gardening. Indoor garden systems make it possible by taking care of watering, feeding, and providing the right amount of light to keep your plants healthy. In this video, I have listed the 5 best indoor gardens of 2024. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Number 5. Rise Garden's Indoor Garden. This one takes the title of the best smart garden, thanks to its innovative features and technology-driven design. This system allows you to grow up to 12 plants simultaneously, including a variety of fruits, vegetables, herbs, and microgreens. It's perfect for those who want a robust indoor garden that can fit into small spaces like countertops, dorm rooms, or apartments. One of the most impressive aspects of the Rise Garden system is its smart care technology, which works through a dedicated app. This technology guides you through the process of feeding and caring for your plants, offering reminders and detailed information about each plant's growth cycle. It makes gardening accessible even to those without a green thumb, removing much of the guesswork from the process. This garden includes full-spectrum LED lights that mimic sunlight, promoting faster and more robust plant growth. It comes with everything you need to get started, including a variety of starter plants, a pH-balanced solution, and plant nutrients. With its sleek design and advanced features, this garden not only elevates your space but also makes it easier than ever to grow fresh, nutritious food at home. Its combination of technology and design makes it the best smart garden for modern indoor gardeners. Number 4. In Bloom Indoor Garden. This is the best option for beginners who want a straightforward and efficient way to start indoor gardening. This hydroponic system includes 5 grow baskets, domes, grow sponges, and a nutrient solution that helps your plants thrive throughout the year. Its user-friendly setup and maintenance make it an excellent choice for those new to indoor gardening. One of the highlights of the In Bloom system is its scientifically calibrated lighting, which has been developed in collaboration with agricultural scientists to maximize plant growth. The LED lights have been fine-tuned to optimize the spectrum for photosynthesis, ensuring that your plants grow faster and healthier. The hydroponic system also features a 2.5-liter water tank and a smart water pump that consistently delivers oxygen to the plant roots, enhancing their growth. This indoor garden kit is compact and made with sustainable materials, making it a space-saving and eco-friendly addition to any home. It's designed to bring a touch of nature into small living spaces without compromising on functionality or performance. For anyone looking to begin their indoor gardening journey, this is the best choice, offering a blend of simplicity, efficiency, and thoughtful design. Number 3. I Do Indoor Garden. This indoor garden offers the best value for those looking to grow multiple plants simultaneously with minimal effort. This hydroponic growing system supports the growth of up to 8 plants at a time, with each plant reaching up to 15 inches in height. Its 3-liter water tank and water circulation system ensure that the roots receive ample oxygen, promoting faster and healthier growth compared to soil-based gardening. This garden features 2 growing modes, vegetables mode and flower-fruit mode, each tailored to specific types of plants. The 22-watt LED light system automatically cycles on and off to mimic natural sunlight, enhancing photosynthesis and ensuring optimal plant development. The pump system, which operates quietly, further boosts the growth process by aerating the water and keeping the plants hydrated. Setting up this hydroponic system is a breeze, thanks to its easy-to-follow 3-step assembly process. It's designed to be user-friendly, making it ideal for garden enthusiasts, beginners, or anyone looking for a reliable indoor gardening solution. Its efficient growth rate, combined with a user-friendly setup, makes this the best value pick for home gardeners. Number 2. Click and Grow Indoor Herb Garden. This is the best choice for those who want a compact yet efficient indoor gardening solution. Its design is centered on simplicity and ease of use, making it perfect for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. The energy-efficient LED grow lights ensure that your plants receive the necessary light to thrive regardless of the weather conditions outside. One of the standout features of this garden is its ability to get you started quickly. Simply drop in the included plant pods, fill the water reservoir, and plug it in, and you're ready to grow. This self-watering planter ensures that your herbs and vegetables get the right amount of water, reducing the need for constant monitoring and care. With over 50 pre-seeded plant pods to choose from, including options like cilantro, basil, lavender, and chili peppers, the Click and Grow system provides a wide variety of plants to grow. You also have the option to use seedless pods, allowing you to experiment with growing almost any plant of your choice. As your plants mature, you can easily transplant them to other planters, indoors or outdoors. Number 1. AeroGarden Bounty Basic. This is best overall among these indoor gardens, and it is an impressive hydroponic garden that stands out for its versatility and high yield. This system allows you to grow up to 9 of your favorite herbs, vegetables, or flowers all year round without the need for soil. It uses a powerful 30-watt LED grow light, which provides a full spectrum of light that promotes plant growth up to 5 times faster than traditional soil planting. This lighting system is designed to mimic natural sunlight, ensuring your plants get the energy they need for optimal growth. This also includes a user-friendly automatic lighting timer and a high-resolution black and white display that makes monitoring and maintaining your indoor garden simple. For added convenience, it features a vacation mode that keeps your plants thriving even when you're not around. The adjustable grow height, which extends up to 24 inches, makes it suitable for various plant sizes and growth stages. This hydroponic system comes with the Gourmet Herbs Seed Pod Kit, which includes Genovese basil, curly parsley, dill, thyme, Thai basil, mint, chives, and Italian parsley. With its large water bowl and grow deck, this offers a comprehensive solution for anyone looking to bring a touch of greenery into their home. And there you have it, the best indoor gardens of 2024, bringing the magic of nature right into your home. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just getting started, these innovative setups are here to make indoor gardening easier and more enjoyable than ever. Ready to bring one of these lush gardens into your space? Be sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices on all the products we covered. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow plant enthusiasts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest tips, reviews, and indoor gardening hacks.